Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the F-straps for damage and confirming the loop orientation. Once done, slip the loop over your wrist, with the logo facing outward so the pad sits under your palm. Next, pull the base tight so the strap lies flat against skin and leave a short 1/2 to 1 inch tail. This setup reduces slack and prevents rotation. It also positions the pad where you need wrist support. You now wrap the strap around the bar to transfer load to your wrist. Feed the tail under the bar and wrap upward so the pad cinches against your palm. Make sure the strap runs parallel to the bar to avoid twists. Cross the tail over itself one time and pull it snug. This locks the wrap. Then close your hand over the strap and the bar and perform a light test pull to confirm tension and comfort before increasing weight. You execute the lift with a firm grip and neutral wrist. Hinge at hips for deadlifts and drive through legs for pulls, letting the strap transfer force so your grip doesn't fail. Once set down, actively roll the strap off the bar while controlling the descent to avoid snagging. If the strap slips or unravels, stop, dry sweaty hands or strap, and rewrap tighter. A quick retention and a flat, untwisted strap usually solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.